Mirador Heritage and Eco Spiritual Park is one of the newest tourist attractions in Baguio City. Located on top of Mirador Hill and near the famed Lourdes Grotto. It is a 5-hectare park filled with many Instagrammable spots.
Ito yun sa Arashiyama, yung ginaya nila yung sa Japan. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
And offers a breathtaking view of Baguio City. Attractions inside the Mirador Heritage and Eco Spiritual Park includes a bamboo forest, rock garden, and peace memorial.
Gaano kataas? Ganyan siya kataas.
May mga pamalo kay Please.
To get to Mirador Heritage and Eco Park by public transportation, just take a jeepney at Kayang Street in the city proper and tell the driver to drop you off at Mirador Park. The fare is 11 pesos each passenger. For convenience, you may also take a taxi. The entrance fee is 100 pesos only. Mirador Park is a great choice whether you are alone in silence and prayer or spending quality time with your family and friends.
Ang taas naman ito, Daddy. Huwag sa gilid, gitna lang. Ano meron? Onion ba yan? Onion daw, Daddy. Pagod siya. Picture mo kami dyan, ha? Oh.
This tourist spot opened in late November 2020 and quickly becoming a popular tourist destination in the city.
Holy Family Well of Healing. Kitang-kita mo yung city! Nakakatakot. Baka malaglag kami. To the moon and back na ba to? So, yung bundok, Elise! Why? Ayan na. Ayan na, hinihintay. Nagkaligaw-ligaw na. Nasaan na yun? Na siya. Kita mo yung buong city kapag nandito ka. you. Mirador, tapos yung Lourdes Grotto. Nakadugtong siya.